Hi guys, today we will talk about how can you choose who can see or download your email address on your LinkedIn app. We will go to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your app. All you have to do, just go up, you click here on this picture, then it's going to show for you window like this. And you just click here on settings, then you come to settings window here, just switching to show for you like this, and you click here on visibility and you come to next window here. Then you just come here to who can see or download your email address. You will click here, then it's going to take you here in this window, and here you will choose who can see your or download your email or address, like only visibility to me or degree connections. So here you can choose. I wish you I gave it. That's all. Just follow this ways and it's going to work with you. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.